Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin now with actions that change strain, not promises. First, reduce continuous screen time. Set a timer every 1 to 2 hours and use the 20-20-20 rule. Look 20 feet away for 20 seconds every 20 minutes. Once done, drink an extra 500 to 750 milliliters of water and eat foods with omega-3s to support tear quality and retinal health. Next, perform slow eye mobility. 10 horizontal sweeps, then 10 vertical sweeps. This eases muscle tension and improves coordination. You now progress into strengthening. Spend 15 minutes daily on near-far focus drills. Hold a 30 cm object focus, then switch to a distant point. Repeat for 10 sets to retrain accommodation. Make posture adjustments. Sit upright. Keep the screen 45 to 60 centimeters away with a slight 15-degree downward gaze to reduce accommodative demand. Also, support the eyes nutritionally. Include vitamin A and lutein-rich foods, zinc sources, and prioritize 6 to 8 hours of sleep to allow recovery. You finish by locking in maintenance habits and knowing what to do if things go wrong. Keep a weekly journal recording screen time, exercises, and any vision changes. Use simple acuity charts to notice trends. Once you see steady improvement, gradually reduce reliance on corrective lenses only with an eye care professional's guidance. Never abruptly stop needed correction. If you experience pain, double vision, or worsening vision, stop exercises immediately. Rest the eyes and consult an optometrist or ophthalmologist without delay.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.